All right, today's lesson we are looking at integers, addition and subtraction of integers when you have like a whole um, list of numbers like this. So in many mathematical problems or questions, you may be required to add and or subtract more than two numbers. So you have to first change the question so that all the operations are addition, and then you're going to combine all the positive integers into one group and all the negative integers into another group, and then you can proceed. So if we look at this example here, we have plus 3, plus negative 4, plus negative 6. Then we have subtraction. We have minus positive 8 and minus negative 7. So if you notice here, we've left all the addition ones as normal. So positive 3 plus negative 4 plus negative 6. Here, the minus sign changed to a positive, and then the positive 8 becomes its opposite. So this became negative 8, and then subtraction here became addition, and the negative 7 became positive 7. So all we've done here is rewrite this whole thing as an addition. So we all have addition here. Addition, 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 and addition. Now, all we're going to do is take all our positive integers, group them together. So positive 3 and positive 7 got grouped together here. And then all our negative integers got grouped together. So I'm just going to change my color. So negative 4, negative 6, and negative 8 got grouped together here. All right, once you've done that, you're going to work with those groups separately. So positive 3 and positive 7, that gives me positive 10. Negative 4 plus negative 6 plus negative 8, you're just going to add them together and give it a negative. So that was negative 18. Lastly, positive 10 plus negative 18 gave me negative 8. Okay, so let's try this one. So we have, this one is the same question. This is the same question, and all I wanted to show here was if you did this as order of operations, you would still end up with the same answer. So if you didn't group it with your positive integers and your negative integers, and you just went ahead and did left to right, you would still end up with the same answer. So positive 3 plus negative 4, that would give you negative 1. And then we'd have plus negative 6 minus the positive 8, and then minus the negative 7. And then if you continue to do this as from left to right, here negative 6 plus negative 1 plus negative 6, that would give you negative 7, and we'd have minus positive 8 and then minus negative 7. And if we continued that here, negative 7 minus positive 8, we would just rewrite that as negative 7 plus negative 8, and then we'd still have the minus negative 7. So now when we calculate this, negative 7 plus negative 8, which gives me negative 15, minus negative 7, that would become plus positive 7. And then lastly, we'd have negative 15 plus the positive 7, and the answer is negative 8. So I just wanted to show you that we still end up with a negative 8, which we got here as well for the answer. All right, so the first step here, so this is our equation. Our first step here would be rewrite as an addition question. So positive 5 stays the same, plus negative 4, plus negative 7. Here we have subtraction, so we're going to change that to plus negative 8. We change the positive 8 to negative 8. And then here we're going to change it to addition, and the negative 7 will become positive 7. All right, so we've rewritten as an addition question. Next, we're going to combine our positive integers. Our positive integers here are positive 5 and positive 7. So rewriting this, we have positive 5 plus positive 7. And then all our negative integers, I'll just underline them here, negative 4, negative 7, and negative 8. So we have plus negative 4 plus negative 7 and plus negative 8. All right, so all I've done is collect my positive integers and collected all my negative integers. So here, 5 plus 7, that gives me positive 12. And then here, negative 4 plus negative 7 plus negative 8, that gives me negative 19. All right, and then lastly, 12 plus negative 19 gives me negative 7. All right, so for this first question, I collected my positive integers, which are positive 3 and negative 2, and then I collected my negative integers, which were negative 7 and negative 5. All right, positive 3 and positive 2 gives me positive 5. Negative 7 plus negative 5 gives me negative 12. So 5 plus negative 12 gives me negative 7. All right, for example number 2, when we have negative 2 minus positive 5 plus negative 4, we have to make sure that we rewrite this equation as addition. So it becomes negative 2 plus negative 5 and plus negative 4. So just resuming here, so collect your positives, collect your negatives. Here they are all negative. So we have negative 2 plus negative 5 plus negative 4, which gives me negative 11. All right, because we're adding negatives. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. And we give it that negative sign. So the answer there is negative 11. Okay, so for a question here, we have positive 16 plus negative 18 plus positive 5 and then minus positive 3. So we're just going to rewrite that to change that to positive and change this to negative. So I'm just going to change it right here. It becomes plus, and this becomes negative 3. So we'll just cross that out. All right, and now we're going to collect together our positive integers. So positive and positive. So the positive 16 plus the positive 5. And then we're going to collect our negative integers, which is negative 18 and the negative 3. All right, so here 16 plus 5, that gives me 21. And then negative 18 plus negative 3, that gives me negative 21. So 21 plus negative 21, your answer there is going to be 0. All right, so here this is going to stay as positive 5. This is going to become addition. This will become negative 3. Addition. This will become negative 2. And then this is already addition, so we keep that like so. Next, collect your positive integers. That's just positive 5. So we just have positive 5. And then we're going to collect our negative integers. So negative 3 plus negative 2 plus negative 1. All right, so that becomes positive 5 plus negative 6. All right, so 5 plus negative 6, that will become negative 1.